Okay Google, where is the nearest Robinson's Mall?
The address for Robinson's Place Pavia is 2 Ungay Barangay Road, Pavia, Iloilo.
Okay Google, what are the available hospitals near my location?
I found a few hospitals near you. The first one is Iloilo Mission Hospital at Mission Road, Jaro, Iloilo City. The second one is Quali Med Hospital at Donato Pisan Avenue, Mandurriao, Iloilo City. The third one is the Medical City at Locsin Street, Molo, Iloilo City.
Okay Google, where can I order McDonald's?
I found a few McDonald's locations near you. The first one is McDonald's at QG3Q plus 7G4, Pavia. The second one is McDonald's at Megaworld Boulevard, Mandurriao, Iloilo City. The third one is McDonald's at Donato Pisan Avenue, Mandurriao, Iloilo City.
Guys, welcome back to my channel, Cathy. Okay Google, please play no copyright music.
Okay, here's the latest episode of background music for videos. Good day. No copyright positive background music for videos, playing on Google Podcasts. Just so you know, you can set your preferred podcast provider in assistant settings. I sent a link to your phone.
Okay Google, stop the music. Okay Google, what's the weather this weekend?
Today through Sunday in Pavia, it'll be partly cloudy most of the time, but tomorrow it'll be mostly sunny. Highs will be in the mid-80s while lows will be in the mid-70s.